Hello, welcome to week 10. Week 10. Shaw Online's English 113, fall semester 2018. Okay, yes, I realize this is part of fall break. We had Monday and Tuesday off as an online class. Okay, well, hope you had nice days off. All right, well, we still have work to do. Yes, there you go. Okay, so what are we doing on this week? So last week, we introduced the annotated bibliography, and oh, scary. Okay, actually, really not too scary when you just kind of break it down. Okay, so this week we're going to learn the values of doing an annotated bibliography, and you're going to get a chance to continue to work on it. So you had a chance to work on it last week, and you're going to continue to work on it this week. You should have learned about pathos, ethos, and logos in previous classes. We're going to review those too, as well. Those three. Well, anyway, you know what I mean. All right, so let's see what's going on. So there is, let's see, ethos, pathos, and logos. Okay, this video kind of does a review of those particular things, because that will help you figure out if you've got a good source that you're going to be using for your annotated bibliography. Yes, it's just important to remember that. I even, look at this, have an example of a completed annotated bibliography. Let's take a look at this here. Okay, and it's even in a doc format. Let's take a look. See here. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. And it's coming, I promise. Okay, oops, it's down here on my other screen. Using two screens here. Let me pull it up so you can see it. Okay, this is an example of a annotated bibliography in MLA formatting. So you'll see how it's like up here, and then you'll see there's the title, and yeah, there we go. Okay, so this is obviously not on the same subject as what you used before, but it kind of gives you the idea of how to do it. Okay, so you've got MLA formatting, but then you've got the source, and then you have the article, the three paragraphs. For this particular assignment, they only had to do one paragraph. You have to do three. This is a general idea of what it should look like when you're done. So that's just a helpful little tool that you're going to be using. Yeah, okay, enough of that. Okay, let's see where we're going to go. We're going to go back to this week. So that kind of shows you what your paper should look like, which is important because you get to turn on your first draft. In addition, we're going to have you take a quiz on the annotated bibliography to help you understand, kind of reinforce concepts. Again, you take the quiz twice, and the highest score counts. So that's important as well. So you're going to submit your first draft of paper 2, which is the annotated bibliography. That is due by the 19th. And if you remember from a few weeks ago, remember that poetry short story presentation, which you should have been working on for a little while? You had a chance to do it? That's also due this Friday. So there's three things that are really due. Your quiz on the annotated bibliography, your first draft, and your poetry and short story presentation. Please put effort into this first draft. The more effort you put into this first draft, the easier the final draft will be. This will give me a chance to see what you're struggling with, what you need to do, so I can give you feedback so you can fix it for the final draft of paper 2. So that's what's happening this week here. Yeah. So three things due by the 19th. And so you're like, oh, we had fall break. Yeah, but really none of this is really that hard because you had all of last week to work on writing project 2. You've had several weeks to work on the poetry and short story presentation. And this quiz won't take very long. So if you decided to wait to the last minute to do these, well, that's on you. That's not on me. I gave this stuff to you way in advance. Anyway, so there you go. Now go have fun finishing week 10.